Alright guys, Honda Pilot. This is 2016 model. We're gonna flush the transmission fluid. Customer bought this from the dealer, ATF DW1. Alright, this is original fluid. Right inside this little guy right here, we have a little O-ring, which is gonna go on the drain plug, alright? So very simple procedure. We're gonna lift this car up, alright? Alright guys, this is the Honda Pilot right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just show you guys. This is where you open the hood from. Oh, the hood is already open, I forgot. Anyways, we go under the hood. Just want to show you guys. Right under the hood, I got my friend holding it for me, so let me put this in right there. Right under the hood, all the way down there, that yellow little dipstick right there, right next to that circular piece, is the filler plug. All right, so you need a long funnel to fill that transmission. All right, so there is filters to the side. If you do like to do a filter change, there's a filter all the way down there. You can reach it from the bottom with the hose, but that's for the future sakes. But anyways, let's lift this car up and start working on this. All right guys, going under this transmission, looking for the drain plug is right there. All right, your filter is a little bit further on the other side. You will have to remove this cover, but since we're not changing the filter, all you need is a tool that's gonna fit right here, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna yank that, all right, really hard. This fluid is gonna come out rushing, all right? So I'm gonna set up my camera in a way where you can see it, like right here, because it's gonna come out really fast. All right, so there we go. We have everything set up the way I want. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slowly take out this drain plug, all right? Look at that. So we're gonna give it good 10 minutes and see this drain plug. I'm gonna clean up this drain plug right here. All right, we're gonna let it drip out. Meanwhile, we'll clean this drain plug up really well. This car been sitting around for good 40 minutes, so the transmission fluid is nice and cold. You should always do a transmission flush when the transmission is closed. All right, a lot of people tell me this is drain and fill, but this is the only way, the best way. This is okay. This is how you're gonna do it, guys. All right, you don't have to go crazy putting machines on. As long as you do this thing 30,000 miles, you should be good. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go get the washer for this drain plug. All right, let that bad boy come out. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna get a new one. Remember I showed you the customer has it right here on top of this bottle, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off. All right, so let's take this washer and put it back on here, but we do need to wait for this thing to just finish out. All right, so let's let it drain out. That's finished draining. All right, I got my drain plug right here with the new O-ring, keep saying O-ring, the washer. All right, always want to change that washer. A lot of times customers don't bring me and they do want me to put their stuff, but there it is. All right, same procedure as I would do oil change, guys, but this is what it is. So we're gonna take this little guy, put it on tightening. You do not want to go crazy with tightening this because you will crack the transmission. All right, so take it easy, nicely snug it and give it a little bit more turn. It's all about the feel, all right? Because if you crack that, that's it, new transmission. All right, there's no oil pan here, no nothing. All right, straight up new transmission if that cracks. All right, and that's it, guys. We're done. We'll go up top. And all right, guys, so we're up on the truck. All the way down there is a dipstick for the transmission. So you reach down there and you pull it out, right? Got a little measurement tool right there, part of the dipstick. So we take our funnel, which is gonna reach all the way down there. It's gotta be a long funnel, can't be short, and make sure you get right on top of it. You don't wanna have it like crooked somewhere. You're putting the fluid, but it's all leaking out, right? So have that in spot, make sure the funnel's clean, and we're gonna dump in 4 quarts of fluid. All right, guys, I got my fluid here, original fluid. Customer bought it. So we're gonna take this fluid and slowly put this in. So this car takes a little bit less than 4 quarts, all right? But you do need to check the fluid once the transmission heats up. So let the transmission run, get nice and warm. So I'm gonna put about 3.5. Then I'm gonna let the transmission run, and then I'm gonna keep an eye on the transmission fluid. You're not gonna see me do that, but just check it. Make sure it's up to level, because the transmission fluid does expand as you let it run. All right, so again, just to show you, make sure it goes up to the hot. All right, it'll tell you like a hot right there, second dot. So make sure when the transmission is nice and hot, you're putting enough fluid and it's up to level. And also change all the gears into different shifts, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, this is number 2. Got my funnel set up real nice. All right, I keep this funnel only for transmission flushes, and I clean them and then let them sit there for the next oil service on the transmission. All right, there you go. All right, here's number 3 right here. And I'm gonna put half a more quart, all right? And then after that, that should be more than enough. Make sure you put correct amount of fluid in it. I will keep repeating that till the video is over, all right? So there you go, that's 3. Got 1 left. I'm gonna put half of it. All right, so this, I'm gonna put half a quart. After that, we'll keep an eye on the fluid. All right, so that's about half a quart. There you go. You put a little bit more. And after that, we're gonna let the transmission heat up. Again, make sure you check your fluid. It's up to level, all right?
He says, how much you pay for the truck? New? I don't know. What year? You don't know what year?
He got a little one first, and then he switched. I don't know the year, but it's great.
Once the fluid is in, make sure you clean this little guy. I'm gonna push this back on because I gotta take out my funnel. I forgot, because I don't want no dirt, debris going in there and my phone rings. All right, so my funnel's out and back to its original spot. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this right in there and leave it in there, and then we'll just check afterwards. Hard to see down there. Get help if you can. I'm recording, so it's a different story for me than you guys. There you go. It's right on, all right? All right, so once it heats up, just be careful with your hands and the fan. Go in there, reach into the dipstick, slid a bit low. All right, slid a bit low. Let's give it a little bit more time, and we're gonna put a little bit more fluid, all right? All right, guys, I added fluid and I got a good amount of level on this dipstick. So hard to see with the camera, but I'm all done. I'm gonna put this back together, go for a spin. You should be good, no leaks, no nothing. All right, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like all of my videos.